Welcome to the 7 Secrets to Essential Speaking. Find your voice, change your life. Secret number 6 is be connected. And you're asking, be connected to what? Well, what I've been talking about in all my previous secrets that I've shared, be present, be still, be aware, be attuned, be positive. Those are all the kinds of things that you need to be connected with inside of yourself. So you might say overcoming speaking anxiety might be an inside job. So you can see already that I'm not teaching you how to say something or how to do vocal variety or how to actually be somebody who knows how to get up there and be a motivational speaker. What I'm talking about is learning to find your voice, connect with it. And that was what we were talking about in secret number 5. Be positive. Be the best core self you can be. So connect with that. And when you're in front of people, what it does is takes out the fear, because if you're looking at people and you're looking for the best inside of them, you don't get distracted by what they are thinking about you. You just so want to connect with the best parts of them, the part that wants to be with you and learn from you. And you are passionate, so you get to share your passion with one person at a time. And just one tip here, it really is one person at a time. When you are looking at people with your soft available eyes, it's only one person, and you already know how to do that, don't you? You know, that's a conversation. Aren't you already pretty good at a one-to-one conversation? That's the secret here. You get to connect with one person at a time, have a conversation. Even if there are hundreds of people, it's just still one person at a time.